What's up guys? Today's quick tutorial will explore the easiest way to update your new MacBook to the latest macOS version. Updates brings new features, security enhancements and performance improvements, so it's important to keep your device up to date. Before we get started, make sure your laptop is connected to Wi-Fi and it's a good idea to plug it into a charger to ensure a smooth update. Now let's begin. First, go to the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Next, go to System Settings or System Preferences depending on your version. Now, go to General and then click Software Update. If a new macOS version is available, you can choose Restart Now to update immediately or Restart Tonight if you're short on time. I'll do that now. Simply enter your password and click OK to proceed. The update will download quickly, and once it's complete, your laptop will automatically restart to finish the installation. And that's it, you're done. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.